I'm a huge potato lover. I'm always thinking about new ways to cook delicious potato dishes. Today, I'm making a quick and super crispy hot and sour potato stir fry. I'm using red potatoes today because they have less starch and stay more crunchy. Let's peel the potato first. Now I need to cut the potatoes. I'd like to use a slicer. Because we need to try to cut the potatoes into even thin strips. A slicer makes it faster and safer. Now we need to rinse the potatoes. Rinse the potato strips a few times. This removes extra starch and keeps them crispy. Now I need to change the water. Add a little white vinegar into the water. It prevents browning and adds a light, sour base. Now we need to cut peppers. These peppers add color and aroma. Slice them thin so they can cook fast.
Let me deal with the potatoes. I like to use a kitchen paper to dry them.
Dry the potatoes really well. If they're wet, the oil will splash. Here are the ingredients: dry chili, fresh chili, peppercorns, ginger, garlic, green onions, vinegar, salt, sugar, white pepper, oil, and soy sauce. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Alright, let's add some oil into the pan now. We don't need too much. Staying healthy is a priority. And let's keep the heat low. Around 100 centigrade is good enough. And let's add the dry chili and the peppercorns into the pan. We are just trying to gently bring out the aroma here, not burn the spices. And usually the center of the pan is a little bit higher than the edges. So I like to move the spice toward the sides. Now you could see the sparkles of the oil in the pan. Here comes a nice smell. Don't overdo that. Once fragrant, let's move the spices out. Just leave the flavored oil is good enough. Okay, let's saute ginger and garlic. Start with ginger first. Because garlic is too easy to burn. So we add it later. We just want it fragrant, not brown or bitter. Several seconds is good enough. Smells so good. Okay, comes to our potatoes. Move fast, about 10 to 15 seconds. Let's add salt, a spoon of soy sauce, a little white pepper, sugar. I like some extra sugar because it will balance the flavor. And here's a point, vinegar. The ingredients are quite simple, but they really work. Okay, pepper. Keep moving fast, mixing well. Don't cook it too long because we want to keep it crispy. Let's add our fresh chili. I like its nice color and strong flavor. Before we heat off, let's add 1 last vinegar around the pan. It will provide a fresh, sour kick. You will know that. Okay, heat off. Let's decorate with some green onions. See, that's it. Okay, it's done. Let's plate it on a nice plate. Normally, Asians would like to eat it with rice, but today, I want to try something different. Guess what? A taco. First, let's toast the tortilla. No need to add any oil. Just cook it over medium heat, about 1 minute on each side. Tacos are one of the most iconic Mexican street foods, loved by all over the world. But I bet you've never tried a spicy and sour potato taco before. Let's flip it over. So, what will happen when both Asian flavors meet classic Mexican street food? What kind of spark will that create? Let's find out. Let's take it out. See? Beautiful. It is what I'm looking for. Nice and golden brown. Okay, time for the fun part. Let's add a generous scoop of the potatoes on the tortilla. Okay, and roll it up. Let's have a try. The tortilla is chewy. The potatoes are super crispy. Lots of textures. And the sour and spicy flavor really works. Do you want to have a try?